This is a breathtaking bespoke home built in 1998 by a master builder following traditional arts and crafts design using natural materials, and handcrafted elements are everywhere. It's on almost 10 acres of land and it has sunrise and sunset views. I'm Laurel Guy and I want to welcome you to 151 Fire Tower Road. Located in the Ithaca School District, just minutes from everywhere you need to be. And you have land with views and peace and privacy, with a fenced garden with hazelnut trees, blueberries, veggies, and more. Hey, come on in. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice as you walk in is this beautiful symmetry and the generous proportions of these rooms in this open flowing layout. And remember, everything you see, all the cabinetry, has been hand built. And then there's the kitchen. And the tapered columns that are on the front porch and in the living room are repeated here. Just beautiful symmetry on this island, which is of course the focal point of this eat-in kitchen. It's made from a repurposed bowling lane, hard rock maple and pine. And everywhere you look is fresh, original detail that you never see anywhere else. A main level primary bedroom and a tile bath with clawfoot tub and walk-in shower. The entire second floor has been completely renovated, adding 2 new bedrooms and a custom tile bath, maple floors, hand-built poplar doors, and trim. There's an all-new arts and crafts garage and workshop with hand-built cedar doors and an EV charger. There really is no place quite like 151 Fire Tower Road. This just may be the one you've been waiting for.